Hi guys, finally the snap 3 is also over. So let's look at the analysis of the snap number 3. So we have this analysis in front of us. So paper was slightly more difficult, more tricky than the earlier two sets. So if you see the level of difficulty is slightly going up. Now it can be, of course, they have to change the pattern thoda sa, but I think the main reason can be because एक परसेप्शन आ गया था कि पहला बहुत आसान था तो ये भी आसान आएगा, तो कंपैरेटिवली इट वाज टफ, थोड़ा सा इट वाज ट्रिकी. इफ वन नॉट से इट वाज टफ, इट वाज ट्रिकी. डोंट कम विद कैट और दैट. दिस वाज स्लाइटली ट्रिकी देन दैट. मीन जहाँ पे यू कैन सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन इन 60 सेकंड, इट माइट टेक यू 80 सेकंड टू सॉल्व. So difficulty wise slightly higher than the earlier two slot. This is what the student feedback is given me. How you feel about the paper, please do post in the comments. Moving to the verbal section, there was slightly tricky, especially the grammar part was tricky. They've gone deep into that. They also actually are the questions which are coming in CET, how to join the two sentences, all those things. Logic was okay. There were two puzzles for two questions each. There was a linear puzzle as well involved. Quant was again tricky. There were two questions of DI. One was easy and one was thoda slightly more lengthy based on pie chart. So overall it was slightly more higher than that. Now if you look at the cutoff, I think 99 percentile 45 marks which we were expecting earlier might come down to 43 or 42 marks. So plus minus 2 marks I'm assuming here. 90 percentile will be around 41 marks, again plus minus 2 marks. It can go up to 43, it can come as low as 40 or 39. That could be the range. Now 90 percentile around 35 marks, 80 percentile around 28 marks, and 70 percentile around 22 marks, plus minus 2 marks everywhere. So depending on how much you have scored, how much you have attempted, this could be a number. I personally believe attempt around 50 is a good attempt. For example, I just talked to a student, her attempt was around 48. So again now depend on the accuracy. वो दिन आपका अच्छा है, accuracy सारा ठीक हुआ तो score अच्छा जाएगा. ठीक है. All the best. Let's hope you do well in the exam. Now I'll be comparing the other two slots as well, because now normalization will be important now, because the pattern was slightly changing as well. The difficulty level was changing, so I assume that this year normalization will play an important role. I'll make a video for that.